Load your family into the 2018 Ford Explorer. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, heated steering wheel, a power liftgate, rear wipers, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.